Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson we will start Unit 8, Films Looking Back. Here we go. First of all, let's look at vocabulary. Number 1. Think of an example of every type of films in the box. So, science fiction, thriller, documentary, horror, romantic comedy, and comedy, action, animation. One more time. Science fiction, thriller, documentary, horror, romantic comedy, action, animation. Example: Mr. Bean is a comedy. And Star Wars is a science fiction. Three Idiots is a romantic comedy. And Jaws is a thriller. And Mekong King Sue is a documentary. The Fast and the Furious is an action film. And You Are Next is a horror film. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs is animation. Number 2. Read the sentences. What types of films are the people talking about? Number 1. The acting was excellent and I laughed from beginning to end. It is a comedy. Number 2. The scene was so frightening that I closed my eyes. It's a horror. Number 3. I think this film will be liked by people who are interested in true stories. It's a documentary. Number 4. It is hilarious and it is really moving too. It's a romantic comedy. And number 5. The special effects are incredible. The robots look real. It's a science fiction movie. And number 3. Fill in the blanks with ed or ing adjectives that are formed from the verbs in brackets. Number 1. I have never felt as terrified as I did when I watched that horror film. Number 2. In spite of spending millions of dollars on the film, it was disappointing. Number 3. They found his behavior annoying. Number 4. We were satisfied with the service at the cinema. Number 5. We found the film's plot shocking. And exercise 4. Complete the second sentence in each pair using the words in brackets. The meaning of both sentences should be the same. Number 1. They found the film exciting. They were excited about the film. Number 2. The film bored them so they left halfway through it. The film was boring so they left halfway through it. Number 3. The ending of the film was quite moving. We were moved at the ending of the film. Number 4. His new film is really surprising. You'll be surprised at his new film. Number 5. Lots of people are confused by the way he behaves. Lots of people find his behavior confusing. Grammar part. Match the first half in A with the suitable half in B. These questions or sentences are about conjunctions or linking words. We have learned them before: although, despite, in spite of, and then although again. So number 1. Although he set off early, he arrived late. Number 2. Despite public protests, the government decide to put a ban on the film? Number 3, in spite of high prices, popcorn is selling well. Number 4, the ticket price has been quite high. However, it's decreasing now. And number 5, although I don't really like to go to the cinema, it will be better than staying at home. And communication part. Number 6. Exercise 6. Number the lines of the dialogue in the correct order. So we should order these sentences. Number 1. E. What are you doing tomorrow night? Number 2. I. Nothing much. Why do you ask? And number 3. How about going to the movies? Number 4. Which movie? Number 5. I think Now You See Me would be a good choice. Number 6. D. That sounds pretty good. I have seen the trailer. And number 7. Perfect. G. And 8. C. Where should we meet? And last one, number 9. It's H. I can pick you up. Is 7 o'clock alright for you? Here we go. So thank you for watching, and please give a thumbs up if you like my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will catch you in the next one. See you soon. Goodbye.